friends, welcome back to my day of sisterhood of the traveling YouTube. So today I'm gonna be cooking Haitian legume. Guys, this quarantine has turned me into a chef. Like, I've done ribs, I've done legume, I've done sauce pois, I've done like so many things. Like, it really has forced me to up my cooking game. So today we're doing some Haitian sauce pois. When I tell you guys, YouTube is like the new university. You will learn everything on YouTube. So I'm watching this wonderful lady and she's gonna teach me how to make legume. So watch.